How do you use the Python alpha_vantage API to return extended intraday data? I have been working with the alphavantage Python API for a while now, but I have only needed to pull daily and intraday time series data. I'm trying to pull extended intraday data, but I'm not having any luck getting it to work. Trying to run the following code. Gives me the following error. What is interesting is that if you look at the time series class, it states that extended intraday is returned as a time series in one csv_reader object, whereas everything else, which works for me, is returned as two JSON objects. I'm 99% sure this has something to do with the issue, but I'm not entirely sure because I would think that calling intraday extended function would at least return something, despite it being in a different format, but instead just gives me an error. Another interesting little note is that the function refuses to take adjusted equals true, or false, as an input despite it being in the documentation. Likely unrelated, but maybe it might help diagnose.
Seems like time_series_intraday_extended can return only CSV format, but the alpha_vantage wrapper applies JSON methods, which results in the error. My workaround.
This is an easy way to do it.